some grease on the inside already, so it should just slide in. So I got it in here first. Washer, castle nut. So we're gonna put this 17 on here. Kind of a tight fit. This will keep it from flying around. And just to hold it. So we'll finish tightening the lower one. Back and everything else. So we can pretty much get the tie rod in, the castle nut on. We got brand new cotter pins. Just bend it like that. Making sure it's all tidy. See all that? Also removes any of the protective coating and oil that they put on it. Okay. Slide the rotor on like that. Just hold everything together. So you also want to put a very small amount of grease on the pistons. I'm going to change out gloves so that I don't have grease in my hands when I install the pads. This pad goes in on the front, but these ones you do need to put a very small amount of grease on the backing plate here. Just a small amount. I'm just going to set that there. As for this one that goes on the inside. This is the inside here. Okay. All in there. We're not going to fully fasten it down until it's on the car, but it's always a good idea to get it nice and snug. This part's kind of tricky, and it helps if you have two people, but basically we're going to run this spacer here, these bolts through here. By no means is it mandatory to have two people, but basically something like that. And this caliper's all loaded, ready to go. Push the pad in a bit. Okay, my knee sort of touched the rotor on this side, so we're going to clean it. Those are just snug. snug. So we finished fastening down the caliper mounting bolts. So now nice and snug. So it's on there nice and tight. So we're gonna bleed the brakes. As much of the air out of the new piston as possible. Fluid should start to come out of this hole here. There you go. So it's just most of the air. It's not drawn out. Not all of it, most of it. Pretty much it. Basically, I like to do it this way. So then that way, when the wheel goes over, it's not going to screw up the inside of the rim, basically.